Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 8th class computer lecture. In the previous lecture, we will discuss about network topology. In this, we will discuss what is star topology. Now, we will see that there is a 5 basic topologies that we use. So, bus, ring, star, tree, and mesh. So, we will discuss about the star topology. Now, we will discuss further these topology in our today's lecture. So, what is our next topology? Bus topology. Now, what is bus topology? Bus topology uses a single cable to connect all devices with the terminator at both ends. Cable is also called trunk, a common backbone or segment to connect all devices. A device wanting to communicate with another device on the network send a broadcast message on the wire that all the other devices see, but only the intended recipient actually accept and process the message. So this is a bus topology. In this, single cable is connected all the device with terminator at both ends. Here, this we will call terminator, and this is a backbone cable. Now, this is a backbone cable. Through these terminators, all the nodes of the computer are connected. This single will be called one node. Here is the second node, third node, fourth node, fifth node. So this is a bus topology. This is a bus topology. It is called backbone cable. ये हमारी backbone cable होती है और इसी के साथ हमारे सारे नोड आपस में क्या होते हैं, कनेक्ट होते हैं. ये एक बस टाइप फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, बस टोपोलॉजी. नाउ व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ बस टोपोलॉजी? Connecting the computer or peripheral or linear bus is easy. Now, to connecting computer or peripheral or linear bus topology is used, and it is easy to connecting all these computer by this method. Failure of one node does not affect the rest of the another node. If one node is failed, then another node will be not affected by this. अगर हमारा मान लो कि ये नोड फेल हो जाता है, ठीक है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती है, सो इनको उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, ये नोड हमारे ऐसे ही चलते रहेंगे. सो दीज आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ बस टोपोलॉजी. दीज आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ बस topology. Now we will discuss what is the disadvantage of bus topology. Disadvantage of bus topology is entire network shut down if there is a failure in the backbone. If there is a failure in this backbone, so entire network will be shut down. अगर हमारी ये backbone cable में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो हमारे सारे नोड्स क्या हो जाएंगे, बंद हो जाएंगे. सारे नोड्स क्या हो जाएंगे, बंद हो जाएंगे. Heavy traffic can slow down the network because computer on such network do not coordinate with each others. So heavy load, if we will work heavy work on this, we will also 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 work heavy work on this. So these nodes put down the heavy load on this backbone cables, and by this heavy load these nodes will be slowed down. These nodes speed will be slowed down. So these are the disadvantage of the bus topology. Now the next is ring topology. The next is ring topology. The ring topology is actually a logical design, that is, data travel in a circular fashion from one computer to another on the network. Data travel only in one direction in a ring topology. Each computer passes the data to the next one on the line automatically. So this is, what is this? This is ring topology. In this, all the computer are collected in circular path. जो हमारे सारे कंप्यूटर है वो किसमें, सर्कुलर पाथ के अंदर कनेक्टेड होते हैं, एंड दे विल ट्रांसफर डाटा फ्रॉम वन डायरेक्शन. इसमें जो हमारा डाटा ट्रांसफर है वो किसमें होगा, एक ही डायरेक्शन में होगा, एंड डाटा विल बी ट्रांसफर automatically from this computer to this to this, this to this, and this to this. So this topology we will call ring topology. So what are the advantage of ring topology? Ring topology is easy to install and reconfigure. It is easy to install. Every computer is given equal access to the rings. Now here every computer will give equal access to the rings. हमारे जो access हैं, जो सारे के सारे कंप्यूटर है वो क्या रहेंगे, इक्वल एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करेंगे रिंग्स को. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल सी व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ रिंग टोपोलॉजी. व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ रिंग टोपोलॉजी. So what are the disadvantage of ring topology? Failure in any cable node break the loop and can put down the entire network. If failure of one computer, अगर हमारा ये कंप्यूटर फेल हो जाता है तो सारे के सारे कंप्यूटर क्या हो जाएंगे, हमारे बंद हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद में मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ एंड नंबर ऑफ नोड्स आर लिमिटेड. मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ एंड नंबर ऑफ नोड्स आर लिमिटेड. इन दिस सर्कुलर, हम सर्कुलर जो हमारी रिंग टोपोलॉजी है उसमें नंबर ऑफ नोड्स लिमिटेड रख सकते हैं. ये नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा जो कंप्यूटर डिवाइसेस है वो रिंग टोपोलॉजी के अंदर कनेक्ट कर दिए जाएं. सो दीज आर द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ रिंग टोपोलॉजी. नाउ व्हाट इज योर होमवर्क? सो today's homework is you have to write the definition of bus topology, advantage and disadvantage, the definition of ring topology, advantage and disadvantage, and also make the diagram. These diagram will be also you have to make on your notebook. So this is your today's homework and this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.